Falcon demo flight. Today's demo pilot is Captain Chris Carritos, with more than 1,000 flight hours in the F-16.
Wow.
The team's call sign is Zeus, named after the father of the Olympian gods. Over the past 10 years, the demo team had coursed across Europe, carrying over the spirit of the Hellenic Air Force. The F-16 is now setting up for an impressive inverted takeoff. Ladies and gentlemen, we are proudly presenting the Hellenic F-16 Fighting Falcon.